Hey, what's going guys? It's Sengoku16 here, and I know you can't hear the wind. It's because there's just a little snowstorm outside, and it used to be bigger. So we're just gonna walk through here because there's too much snow. And I'll show you. I might not have school tomorrow and Wednesday because they're announcing the snowstorm from Monday to Wednesday. So I have to show like all this here. But we're just gonna walk through here. So that's the other Christmas tree. So that's my house. That's how it looks like. That's light here. Just people running today. Just got boots. Right now. So that's the episode 1 of Road to Christmas. I'm just gonna do some fucked up videos from games that you have ever seen, some Wii U and stuff and shit, and some just strange feeling like this one. I'll show you right there. It's just windy. So I'll show you tomorrow if I don't have school. So I know you can hear tractors, wind, and cars, but okay, here it's really windy. I don't know if you can see anything, but I have snow in my face, and it's okay. I have to shower, so I'll see you guys later. So I'll see you guys later. Have fun, and be sure to leave a like and a comment.